Hi, welcome back to more using the Zoom chat feature. So as you remember, to use the chat feature, you click on chat and you type a message to your student. Another useful feature of the chat is that you can send links to your student. So if you have a newspaper article and you want to send them a link to read that article, you can copy and paste the link into the chat box. And then your student can click on the link and open it up. Another nice feature of the chat box is that your student can ask you questions. And you can answer their questions. The chat box is useful if your student wants you to spell something or write something down, or if they want to ask you for a new vocabulary word, something they don't know how to say yet. Finally, if you want to send your student a handout or file that you've prepared, you can go to your files here at the bottom. You can choose the file that you want to share, click on it, drag it over to the chat, and it will send to your student. So you can send them any handout or Word document that you want to. And then at the end of class, if you have lots of vocabulary or useful information in the chat, then you can click on the three buttons here to save the chat. And you can save it in your computer and email it to your student, and keep a record of your class that way. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.